In this video, we will show you the steps that it takes to get your new Indorfin 130 ready-to-fly FPV race drone out of the box and into the air. Inside the box of the ready-to-fly version, you will find everything you need to get started. Transmitter and drone, goggles and FPV monitor, LiPo battery and a charger, AA batteries for the transmitter, prop guards and a spare set of props, and a small screwdriver. Before doing anything else, be sure to read and understand the manual. It contains important safety information regarding the included lithium polymer battery, as well as other precautions when flying your drone. Let's get the battery charging. Plug the AC adapter into a 120 volt outlet and connect it to the charger. Connect the balance connector on the battery to the 3S port on the charger. The charger status LED will illuminate red during the charge process. It will change to green when charge is complete. Charge the monitor using the included cable and a USB port or adapter. When the battery is fully charged, the LED will turn off. Install the included AA batteries into the transmitter. The Indorfin drone will come already pre-linked to the included RISE transmitter. If you find it necessary to relink, remove the propellers before doing so by removing the 2 screws from each prop. To link, connect the battery to the drone and then hold the RX link button until the status LED flashes quickly. Now turn on the transmitter. The status LED will become steady when the link is complete. Reinstall the propellers, being sure they are installed in the correct locations. The drone will not be able to fly if the props are installed incorrectly. Prop guards are not required, but recommended if the Indorfin is being flown indoors. Remove the 2 outermost motor mount screws on each arm. Install the prop guard and secure it with 2 8mm screws. Check the screws often to make sure they are tight. A little thread locking compound may be needed if the screws come loose. Turn on the transmitter and monitor. Now connect the charged battery to the drone. If the monitor does not display the video from the camera, push and hold the B button on the monitor for a second so it can auto-search for the FPV signal. Disconnect the battery when complete. The Indorfin drone has 3 flight modes available. Mode 1 limits the tilt angle of the drone and is recommended for your first flight as you become accustomed to its flight characteristics. The dual rate switch adjusts the sensitivity of the controls between low and high. We recommend low rate for your first flight. When you're ready to fly, turn on the transmitter and connect the battery to the drone. Place it on a level surface and wait for the beeps. To arm the motors, move the dual rate switch to high and move the throttle stick to the lower right corner and listen for the beep. Move the dual rate switch to low and then slowly advance the throttle until the drone lifts off the ground. Become acquainted with the drone by flying without FPV for your first couple of flights. We don't recommend using flight mode 2 or 3 until you are very comfortable with it. Switching to flight mode 2 will eliminate the tilt angle limitation. This allows the drone to pitch 360 degrees for loops and rolls. The drone will still self-level when the right stick is released. Mode 3 turns off the self-leveling when the right stick is released. When you're ready to try FPV, the monitor can install either in the transmitter cradle or the goggles. If you're new to FPV, it's best to learn while flying over long grass to reduce the chance of damage to your drone if it crashes. When the battery voltage gets low, the drone will start to beep during flight. When you hear this, it's time to land. Fly to your landing area and slowly reduce the throttle until the drone touches down. Move the throttle stick to the lower left position to disarm the motors. Check out our YouTube page for hundreds of other RC videos.